How to send large videos on Messenger. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to open any of the friends chat to whom you want to send large videos. Messenger doesn't allow to send any videos to your friend that is very large in size. But if you still want to send large videos on Messenger, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open YouTube. Then you want to go ahead and tap on your profile that is on the top right corner. Then you want to tap on your channel. As YouTube allows you to upload any size of videos that may be very long or very short. So you just want to upload it here and send it to your friend. To upload, you just want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign in the bottom middle and then tap on upload a video. Now here you want to select a video that is very long and that you want to send your friend. And here what you want to do is you want to put this visibility to unlisted, which allows to view only when the link is sent to them. Other people cannot see this video. After that, you want to go back and tap on next. Tap on if the video is meant for kids or not, then tap on upload video in the bottom. After a very long time, the YouTube video will be uploaded. Then what you want to do is you want to tap on the three dots on the right hand side corner, then tap on share video. Then you want to tap on copy link. After the link is copied, you want to go to the Messenger and paste the link in the message box and then send it. And in that way, you'll be able to send a very large videos on Messenger. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.